All right, so we are going to talk about free tools for building prototypes and prototyping your ideas. So there are a bunch of free tools out there. We're going to go kind of slide by slide here and talk about things like Instagram, Glide, Medium, Canva, videos, and Kindle Direct Publishing, and a few more. So jumping right in, this is an Instagram account that a student in dual school created in the spring of 2020. This student was really passionate about mental health and bringing more awareness to how educators can better serve students' mental health needs. So she found that the best way for her to get this message out was to create an Instagram account where she could share ideas and stories and inspiration. And again, Instagram's free. It's an easy way to get your message. People can follow it, people can see it, people share it. It's a great way to get started. Another idea here is something called Glide. We've had a number of students use Glide, and Glide allows you to create an app that you can use on your phone from a Google Sheet really quickly and easily. So let's look at a quick example so we understand what this means. App from a Google Sheet. This is a Google Sheet that I made of different mountains near where I live. And as you can see, you have the name of the mountain, the state, and some different statistics and links about the mountain. Using Glide, this is the app that you can create completely for free. So if you go to this URL, you can download this app to your phone, save it to your phone, and you can click through and look at these different mountains and learn some information about them, follow some links, see some images and logos and trail maps. And again, this was completely made just using this Google Sheet and then connecting that to Glide. So another idea here, you have Medium, and Medium is a free way. It's basically a free blog. So they handle a lot of the design elements. It's a very simple design. You can add pictures and things and links. Medium, you sign up for Medium just like you would sign up for something like Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. You make an account and you can start posting blog posts, and it's shared publicly. So this is a blog post that I wrote a few years ago. We've had some students publish some really powerful kind of op-ed type things on Medium or blog posts on Medium that then get shared widely and read by a number of other people. So it's another good way to get your message out there. Another great way to get your message out is using Canva. So Canva is a free software that you can use, on your phone or on a computer to design flyers and design other visuals like pamphlets and templates and things like that. So they allow you to really easily and quickly make something that looks visually appealing that you could then post on social media, or you could print out and post, around your school or in a public place. You can make flyers, you can make handouts, informational items. So Canva is a great way to kind of start to take your ideas, put them into something a little bit more like physical and well designed and tangible, and then spread that message out in the world. And again, Canva is free. Kindle Direct Publishing. This one is not something you would do in an hour or a few hours. This is a bigger project, but if you were interested and you wanted to, publish a book or publish a children's book or publish an ebook, Kindle Direct Publishing is a free service through Amazon where you can upload your transcript as a PDF, and you can have a book live and for sale on Amazon that comes via Amazon Prime. So this uses something called printing on demand, where, if somebody orders your book, Amazon prints it and they ship it out. If it's an ebook, they buy it and they can download the ebook. So again, this is something completely free. Not a lot of people know that, you as a young person could publish a book, and you could publish a book in the next, few months if you really wanted to, and if you're really dedicated to it. So again, a great free tool. This is one that's going to take longer to use, but you can make something really, really powerful. Another idea here is when you're looking for specific tools, when you're looking for something to do what you need, there's a service we use called Product Hunt. This is a website where people can post different tech products. So if you see in this example, we're looking for something to help us build a logo. And basically anything that you need, somebody's thought of that before. So make sure you Google it. Make sure you go on Product Hunt. If you're trying to create a logo, just Google it, like logo maker. And you're going to come up with, like you see on Product Hunt, a number of different options of, services that'll help you make a logo. And some of these are completely, easy and free to use. Some are you have to pay for, but some you basically type in like words that you like and like names that you're playing with, and it will just automatically generate a logo for you. You don't need to do any designing. So again, look around for tech tools. There's so many out there. Product Hunt is a great place to start, but there's a lot of tools that can help you move your project forward, that are just out there waiting to be found, because not a lot of people go through this process of looking them up and trying to find them. Lastly, here you have Teespring. If you're interested in launching something like an apparel line where you make, sweatshirts or hoodies or shirts or even face masks or fanny packs or towels or blankets or pillows, whatever it is, if you want to design something and put it on apparel, you can use Teespring. And Teespring allows you to make your design and put it up for sale on your Teespring store. So then you can send your friends and your family a link to your store. And just like with Amazon, it's printing on demand. So if somebody orders the item that you made, they will make that item and ship it for you. So you might sell a t-shirt for $20 and somebody buys it and you get like $4 or something. And then Teespring prints it and ships it and sells it. Okay. So it's a free way to get your thing out there. If you want to be designing apparel, it's probably going to be expensive to go to a local print shop to buy 50 t-shirts, to have them print 50 t-shirts. You don't know what size your customers are going to be. What if you end up with all the wrong sizes and now you have 30, large t-shirts that nobody's going to buy? So if you use something like Teespring, you don't have to worry about spending hundreds of dollars up front. You just have to design something and get it out there. Okay. So these are a bunch of tools for prototyping. We have many more. So if there's something specific you're interested in, you can comment on this video. You can send us a message through our website or through Instagram. But again, here are some great tools to use that could be really helpful in getting your venture off the ground. Awesome. Perfect. So we'll get into some more resources for your venture probably in another video, because this one's already getting pretty long. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you soon.